Oh, you guys don't have to leave your shoes out. You guys can come in.
Hey.
Hey.
I have the wrong lens on. Hi, Tristan. How are you? You look very pretty today. Look at how handsome Roman looks.
Hi, Steven.
Aww. Hi, Mom. Hey, Mom, come here for a second.
Mom, you should come over here. Here, let me put this down for you. Let's put it right.
I'm just messing with my camera, so you should come in.
Come here. Oh, wow. I know I'm kind of dopey for my pillow. Surprise!
Hi.
Kitty! Oh my God! That's why I didn't call you for Kitty. I wanted to surprise you. When did you guys come?
This morning.
This morning.
They got here at 7 this morning.
Give your grandma a hug.
Thank you so much. Oh,
Long time
I didn't know you guys were coming.
Yeah.
You wanted to surprise me?
Yeah. And we didn't want you to worry about them.
Yeah.
Oh, I love you guys so much.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Longer than camera.
Give your grandma a hug.
I didn't know with my little Bubba. I miss you all so much.
He's shy. He just wants me to love
I had no idea.
That's why Kenny didn't call you for a while, because he was too scared he was going to say
spill the
something.
beans.